Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to download any video from TikTok without a watermark. How to do it? Very simple. To do this, go to TikTok. Now just click share. Copy the link to the video. The link is copied. Next we need to go into any browser. I go into Safari and I find a site called ssstic.io. That's its name. I will leave a link to this site in the description under the video. Now insert the link to our video and click the button download. We wait a couple of seconds. Now we choose what we want to download. I choose without watermark. We wait a couple more seconds and close the ad. And click download. Now we open the download and see our video. Click here. Next click share. Drop down below and click on the button save video. We wait a couple of seconds more. Now we want out of here and go into our gallery. And here we see our video without the watermark. It's very simple. That's the easy way. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.